Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy waffles using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a little sugar. For the wet ingredients, have milk, eggs, and some melted butter on hand. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix our batter for that perfect waffle texture. In one bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. In another, combine the milk, eggs, and melted butter. Then pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles, so resist the urge to keep stirring. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Preheat your waffle iron until it's hot and ready. If your iron isn't nonstick, a light spray of cooking oil will help. Pour about 1/2 cup of batter onto the center of the iron, or enough to fill it without overflowing. Close the lid and cook until the waffle is golden brown and steam is no longer escaping. Your delicious waffles are now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve them immediately while they're warm and crispy. You can top them with classic maple syrup, fresh berries, or sliced bananas. A dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of powdered sugar adds a lovely finish. Get creative and enjoy your homemade, yummy waffles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.